Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in your host Revit model with backups in place and the correct RVT files ready. Open the host file and confirm shared coordinates and link strategy. Choose insertion method now. Origin to origin is quick. Project base point gives control for survey-aligned projects. Once done, make sure linked files are accessible on network or local path to avoid missing links. You will act immediately. Go to Insert to begin linking, so you move from planning into action. You insert the link using Insert Link Revit and pick the target file. This is the core action. When the dialog appears, pick the correct positioning option, Auto Origin for simple placement, by shared coordinates for coordinated site models, or manual to place visually. Check the options for current view/visibility and whether to preserve phase. Once linked, use Manage Links to control reloads and unloads, so your model remains synchronized and clean as you proceed. You finalize by adjusting link visibility and worksets so the linked model behaves predictably in views. Open Visibility/Graphics and enable or disable categories as required. If the link should not move, set shared coordinates and, where appropriate, clamp location with worksets or pin elements to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, first reload the link, then relink from the correct network path. If issues persist, audit the linked file in isolation to fix corrupt geometry or naming conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.